In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Etsy customer service. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can reach the right support team for your specific issue, whether you're a buyer or a seller. First, make sure you're logged in to your Etsy account. Then go to your Shop Manager dashboard. If you're a seller, this is your main control panel where you manage listings, orders, and settings. It's important to start here so Etsy can recognize you as the account owner and show you the options that are relevant to your shop. Once you're in the Shop Manager, look for the Help option. This is usually located in the navigation area of your dashboard. Click on Help, and this will open up support-related options. From there, select Etsy Help Center. This takes you to Etsy's main help hub, where they keep all their guides and FAQs. Even though we're going to contact support directly, it's useful to know that many common issues are explained here in detail. On the Help Center page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. There, you'll find a link that says Contact Etsy Support. Click on that. This is the gateway to actually getting in touch with a real support agent. Next, Etsy will ask you to choose the general area your issue falls under. If your question is about running your shop, payments you receive, listings, or orders you're fulfilling, click on Selling on Etsy. If your problem is as a customer buying something, like a purchase you made or an order you're waiting for, click on Buying on Etsy. Choosing the right category helps Etsy route your request correctly. After that, you'll see a list of topics. Click on what you need help with. This might be something like your account, payments, orders, or shop setup. Then, you'll usually be asked to narrow it down further and click again on a more specific version of that issue. Etsy will show you some suggested help articles. If those don't solve your problem, look for and click on I still need help. This confirms that you want to contact support directly. Now choose Email Us. You'll see a form where you can contact Etsy by email. Click into the subject line field and type a clear, short summary of your problem. Then, in the description field, explain the issue in more detail. What happened, when it started, and anything you've already tried. If you have screenshots or other supporting files, click on Add File to upload them. This can really help Etsy understand the situation faster. When everything looks good, click Send. Your request goes to Etsy support